Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x is equals to 13 plus square root of 13 plus square root of x, and here we will find out the value of x. Here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute 13 plus square root of x, 13 plus square root of x, this is equals to m. This implies m minus square root of x, this is equals to 13. Let us consider this is equation number first. Now this expression is m. This implies x is equals to 13 plus square root of m. This implies x minus square root of m. This is equals to 13. Let us consider this is equation number second. Now if we subtract equation number second from first, then here m minus square root of x, this is equals to 13, and x minus square root of m, this is equals to 13. Now here minus plus minus. In left hand side we have m minus x minus square root of x plus square root of m, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, m minus x. Here we will apply this rule. A is equals to square root of a whole square. Then this m is square root of m whole square minus x is square root of x whole square minus square root of x plus square root of m, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully these two terms. If we apply difference between two squares, a square minus b square, this is equals to sum of a plus b times difference between a minus b. Here we can say square root of m plus square root of x is multiplied by square root of m minus square root of x, and here plus square root of m minus square root of x, and this is equals to 0. Now if we take common square root of m minus square root of x, square root of m minus square root of x, then here square root of m minus square root of x is common, then square root of m plus square root of x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Square root of m minus square root of x is multiplied by square root of m plus square root of x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then here square root of m minus square root of x, this is equals to 0. Square root of m plus square root of x plus 1, this is equals to 0. This implies square root of m, this is equals to square root of x, and if we take square both sides, then we can say m is equals to x. Here this is case first. Look carefully these terms. This implies square root of m plus square root of x, this is equals to minus 1. Here left hand side square root of m is positive and square root of x is positive. It means sum of two positive number is always positive. Left hand side is positive and right hand side is negative. So that's why this case is rejected. Here m is equals to x, and we know that 13 plus square root of x, this is equals to m. 13 plus square root of x, this is equals to m. 13 plus square root of x, and this is equals to, this m is replaced by x because here m and x both are equal. Then here x. Now square root of x, this is equals to x minus 13, and here in left hand side we have square root, so that's why if we take square both side, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root, then here x is equals to, and in right hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. Then here x square plus 13 square, that is 169 minus 2 times 13 times x. Then x is equals to x square plus 169 minus 26 times x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 27x plus 169, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, x square minus 27 times x plus 169, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula and then find out the value of x. We know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. And here value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 27 and value of c is 169. Here x is equals to minus b is replaced by minus 27 plus minus square root of, and this b is replaced by minus 27 whole square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 169 and divide by 2 times a, value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by this minus 27, then we get 27 plus minus square root of minus 27 whole square, that is 729 minus 4 is multiplied by 169, then we get 676 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to 27 plus minus square root of 729 minus 676, then we get 53 and divide by 2. Here we have two possible values of x is equals to 27 plus square root of 53 divided by 2, and second value of x is equals to 27 minus square root of 53 divided by 2. But students, look carefully the given equation. The given equation is x is equals to 13 plus square root of 13 plus square root of x. This equation is same as square root of 13 plus square root of x, this is equals to x minus 13. Look carefully in left hand side. Left hand side is always positive and this left hand side is cannot be 0. If left hand side is positive, then x minus 13 should be positive. If we can say x minus 13 should be positive, then here x is greater than 13. Then look carefully these two solutions. This solution is less than 13. So that's why this solution is rejected and this solution is accepted. So here value of x is 27 plus square root of 53 divided by 2. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and thank you.